Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very interesting day here as we head into the weekend, and the level that I'm very curious about, in fact, I want to zoom back in more just so we can really point this out, but I think this is a level that a lot of people will be watching, and when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. But that area right here at $736, I mean, you can see that a lot of data points of the price just slowly staying right up above that level. And while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this: it's more than valid, it's more than rational to think that if the price were to come down at 736 and then break down through there, that break in of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. Again, no such thing as a guarantee, but that has certainly, solidified itself as a pretty significant area that I'm sure lots of people have taken notice of. So that's going to be a level to keep a very close eye on moving forward. So watch that 736 mark. If 736 is broken, then the next key overarching level of support down there right around 725. Now, I'm not saying that if 736 is broken, it's going to drop down straight down at 725 within 10 seconds. But just generally speaking, like I said, as far as kind of just looking back here, the price does open up quite a bit. So it'll be interesting to see how that dynamic plays out if indeed the price does break back below that 736 mark. If the price does decide it wants to turn itself around as far as the areas of resistance are concerned, new big battleground and key breakout point right up here at the 747 mark, so keep a close eye on that. But overall, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch headed into the weekend, so I'm very curious to see how this is all going to play out early next week, but I know I'll be watching it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.